practicing that lethality just like anything else. You want to practice before you go execute. So this is an excellent opportunity for both soldiers and airmen to go out and execute those, get their techniques down, figure out what works for them, what doesn't work for them, so they're very efficient in the field.
The purpose of this weekend is, granted, it's a competition, but it's also in a training format. We hope that the individuals or the soldiers that come in here will take what we've presented to them, refine what we've presented to them, and eventually take that back to their unit and then spread that knowledge across their internal formation.